If you're experiencing issues with a stuck update in GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the problem and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Begin by completely shutting down your gaming console or PC. Wait a few moments, then power it back on. This can help clear temporary issues that may be causing the update to freeze. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by holding the power button until the console shuts down, then unplugging it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the GameOS installation folder and deleting temporary files. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're on a PC, use the game launcher like Steam or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which might resolve the update issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling GTA 5. This can take some time, but it often resolves persistent update issues by ensuring that you have the latest version of the game. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and enjoy playing GTA 5 again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.